Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Microsoft Office error code 02054. First, try a simple restart of your computer, which can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection, as download interruptions frequently cause this error. Also, verify that your system date and time are accurate, as discrepancies can interfere with software installations. These initial steps are quick and often surprisingly effective before moving to more complex solutions. If restarting does not work, the next step is to use the Microsoft Office Repair tool. Navigate to your computer settings, then select Apps or Apps and Features, and locate your Microsoft Office installation. Click on it, choose Modify, and you will see options for quick repair or online repair. Start with a quick repair as it is faster. If that fails, proceed with the more thorough online repair. Remember that the online repair requires an active internet connection to download files. Should the repair tool not resolve the issue, a clean uninstall and reinstall is the most reliable next step. It is crucial to use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, also known as SA-RA, to ensure all traces of Office are removed. This specialized tool prevents residual files from interfering with the new installation. After running SA-RA, restart your computer and then download a fresh copy of Office from your official Microsoft account. This process ensures a clean slate for the installation. Sometimes, other software on your computer can cause conflicts. Temporarily disable any third-party antivirus programs before trying to install or repair Office again. Your antivirus might be mistakenly identifying Office components as threats and blocking them. Also, check for any recently installed programs that could be interfering with the Office setup. Once Office is successfully installed, you can re-enable your antivirus software. This step often unblocks the installation process and resolves the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.